Hi everyone, thanks for coming back for another swatch video. I am so excited about this palette. I don't have anything like this. Not so much the colors, but look at the inside. Just ignore the preview right there. Oh my gosh, look at this! It's so pretty. It's so pretty. I'm gonna try to peel. It's not really a peel, it's more of just like a take off. These do have names. Crap, they're on the sheet, but I'll try to get them to you while we're swatching. I don't have anything laid out like this, and just the idea of like a desert sage color scheme is just so attractive to me. Mostly mattes, it looks like, very glittery, shimmery in here. I don't know how I'm gonna swatch these. Maybe I'll do like these three, these four, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the inner wheel. That sounds good. I'm gonna do it that way. So I hope you enjoy these swatches. This is the first time I'm swatching these, except for that center glitter, because I just couldn't help myself. So I really hope you enjoy this video. I can't wait. I'm gonna start with this pinky looking shimmer. There's a little bit of shimmer on my arm already. I apologize. I'm trying to do a bunch of swatches today. This is straight up like Pinky Peach. Next to that, I'm sorry, that first one is called Boundless. After that is called Distance. It's the kind of that middle one. Oh, this is yellow. I thought this was like a fair skin tone. It's a pale yellow. That's actually really pretty. I don't know if I even have that in my yellow palettes. That pale yellow. That's gorgeous. It's very pastel. It's called Distance, if I didn't say. And then this one's called Joshua Tree, which reminds me of a U2 album that I really like. I hope you can build that up a little bit, because that's a very pretty spring green. And it's subtle. Like, I think all of these greens are going to be a little on the subtle side. Okay, what do I've got here? We've got a blue called Wild. Ooh, one of the most pigmented navy blues in one swipe I think I've got. I think this is going to stain though. It's already kind of staining the pan around it. That's the only problem with these, is that there's an awkward pan size, so that getting the brush in the smaller ones is going to be weird, but that's okay. This one's called Bloom. I hope I can fit all these on there. It's coming off a little sheer, but I think you can build it up. Okay, next one's called Canyon, right? Canyon, yes. Oh, sorry. And again, this looks like a skin tone in the pan, but it's a little bit of a orangey yellow. Really not coming up very much. It's kind of skin tone like, so it may just be my skin tone. I have cool undertones and light skin usually when I'm doing foundation. Look at how pretty this shimmer is, and then like the rest are just kind of like meh. I think they're going to be really nice, but it's just going to take a little building up. This one's called Free Spirits. Very nice yellow, actually. Wow, so I've actually got a lot of yellows in the non-yellow palettes I bought that are beautiful. So just in case I missed it, this is Boundless, Distance, Joshua Tree, Wild, Bloom, Canyon, and Free Spirit. Going down to the next horizontal row, we've got Uninhabited. Wow, that's very pigmented. That's like a just straight up maroon. That's really nice. I love these muted, like, Color Story colors. This is less muted. It's like a bright teal matte. Yeah, very buildable. Very buildable. Nice. It's called Serene. Okay, and I'm going to skip over the middle swirl over to, what is this called? This is called Hot Spring. It's like a more pigmented version of this, only a little bit darker. And then this last one is a deep orange called Heat Wave. Pretty. I have 7 more. There's no way I'm going to fit those on my arm, so I'll be right back. I'm going to actually go ahead and do this swirl in the middle. I'm going to start with this like reddish violet looking color called Mojave. Ooh, pretty. Sorry about the glitter on my arm. Some of these are glittery anyway, but you can tell which ones are mattes. This has a slight shimmer to it. Just a very solid red violet. Ooh, this is really spreading and blending well. I hope it doesn't stain, but that is really nice. Oh gosh, this is gonna be gorgeous. This is called Wanderlust. Whoa. Oh my gosh. This is like a pink and blue duochrome. How did they do that? It looks pink in the pan. Do you see that blue reflect? That is so pretty. This palette was like $10. 25 shades. And this kind of prettiness. All right, so moving to the right in that little inner swirl. There's another one that looks like it's gonna be a gorgeous shimmer. Look at this. Are we recording? We better be recording. Look at that. Gorgeous metallic. It's like a very light aquamarine. Wow. Oh, that's stunning. All right, we're now going clockwise, but down, you know, at the bottom of the swirl here, we've, oh my God, look at this. Okay, this inner swirl thing, flower petals, whatever you want to call them, is killing it. Another gorgeous shimmer. It's like yellowish green. I'm gonna go over the names of these when I finish this little swirl. The next one is a pretty gold. Let's see, I got some blue on it. Sorry. Yeah, I knew you were gonna interrupt me. I got a little bit of the blue shimmer in this one. This is not as deep of a gold, like as opaque of a gold as in some other palettes I've worked on. And then we've got like this sky blue looking color. This is also gorgeous. It's like a powder blue shimmer. It's not quite as duochrome-y as like this one and this one, but it's gorgeous. I mean, you could just swipe that on and be done. Look at how bright these are. All right, so this is Mojave, Wanderlust, Succulent, they're hard to read, Succulent, Cactus, is that Coast? Coast, and Oasis. This middle one is called Rare. It's like a glitter gel, which I adore from this company. Oh my gosh, it's like a disco ball. Wow. It's a small pan, so to really get it a solid disco ball, you're going to need a lot of it. You may actually hit pan in the first shot, but that's gorgeous, obviously. All right, this is called Death Valley. Oh, it's more brown. I thought it was more red. It's a matte brown. Very nice. This is called Mossy. Oh, very like foresty, elven kind of mossy green color. I mean, it's called Mossy, so that's great. That's perfect. Next one is called Sage. I thought this was going to be a little more deep, but this is like a straight up grass green. And we've got Tumbleweed, which looks brown. Oh, there's like some yellow or green in this. These three together would make such a great, or these four really, such a nice like fall or just whenever you feel like doing a little forest fairy look. I love that. And that's kind of what this palette is based on, is, you know, desert sage. So that delivers. These have nothing to do with desert sage, but my God, are they pretty. Okay, Adventure is next. Wow. Oh, gorgeous, just straight up brown shimmer. I don't know what else to say about that. Oh, again, these like 5 now are just so nice together. This one's called Disconnect. Terracotta, reddish orange. Nice. And this last one, what are you called? You're called Golden Hour, even though you're green. Look at these together. It reminds me a lot of the Beauty Bay Earthy palette. I have swatches of that. That's 42 shades. Wow, though, this is just kind of a little of everything. And just so super pretty. So I know I said the colors down here. Let me just make sure I didn't miss anything. This is called Death Valley, Mossy, Sage, Tumbleweed, Adventure, Disconnect, and Golden Hour. I can't get enough of that. Alright, so going back to the palette, you can see how I kind of smudged these. It was hard to get my fat fingers in these little pans. You know, brush, you're not going to have that much of a difficulty with. There was a little bit of kick up though, especially with the darker ones. But man, I just can't get over how pretty this is, how unique this is. Profusion Cosmetics just really knocked it out of the park again. It's a little annoying that the color names are only on this thing. I'm going to take it off because it's reflective, but oh my gosh, I just adore this palette. The swatches are solid. I can't wait to start using this. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. We will see you in the next one. Bye. Where did my little thing go that I'm supposed to be using to help me? Great, now I lost the center. Am I centered? It's so hard because I can't like see if I'm centered or not. I'm gonna go up a little bit more, I think. So I'm in the light. How many are in here? 25. Well, I immediately forgot to get close-ups. Sorry. I'll get close-ups of the palette. Right? Self, you're gonna do that? Okay. Are you gonna interrupt me? It's jumping off the bed. Big clunk. Hi! And just Vero. Oh, but I don't want to move. I'm in a good spot, honey. Can you just wait? Can you wait 5 minutes? Please? Yeah, I know you can do it. You can do it. I'm gonna wipe it off a little bit. Oh, I'm gonna make it worse. Alright. Give me a sec. Alright. Nope, not alright. Right. No. Could I read, maybe? Yeah, they go this way. No. Haha, that's what was wrong. I was like, they're not over top of the colors.